Our silk saree journey begins in the mulberry fields, where fresh leaves are grown as food for silkworms.
These tiny silkworms spend several weeks feeding on nutritious mulberry leaves and growing rapidly. After continuous feeding, the silkworms grow larger and prepare for the next stage of their life cycle. Each silkworm spins a long silk filament around itself, creating a protective cocoon.
Once the cocoons are fully formed, they are carefully collected for silk extraction.
Warm water softens the cocoons and helps release the delicate silk fibers.
Fine silk filaments are carefully unwound from the cocoons and combined into stronger threads.
The silk fibers are twisted and strengthened into smooth silk yarn. Next, the silk yarn is dyed into beautiful colors, including bright red, green, blue, yellow, purple, pink, maroon, and black.
Once fully dried and approved, the colorful silk yarns are wound onto weaving spools and prepared for saree production.
Advanced weaving machines transform colorful silk yarn into elegant silk sarees. Beautiful borders and patterns are added to enhance the saree's elegance. Every saree undergoes careful inspection to ensure premium quality. Special finishing processes give the sarees their smooth texture and luxurious shine. The sarees are carefully pressed to achieve a flawless appearance. Each saree is carefully folded and packed to protect its quality. Each finished silk saree showcases beauty, craftsmanship, and tradition. The packaged sarees are stored and prepared for delivery. From tiny silkworms to beautiful silk sarees, this remarkable journey combines nature, skill, and modern manufacturing. Thank you for watching.